Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss antimicrobial agent mercury. Now, mercury contains not less than 99.5% of mercury. The principal of ore of mercury is red sulfide mineral that called cinnabar mercury sulfide. The metal is also found in free state in its ore in the form of minute globules. Now the preparation of mercury. For the extraction of mercury, the ore is crushed, finely powdered, concentrated by froth flotation process. The concentration ore is heated to form mercury oxide by oxidation of cinnabar. The oxide decomposes at 300 degrees Celsius to yield mercury. This is the reaction to show. Now the mercury vaporized and vapor are condensed. Now the physical characteristics. Mercury occurs as a shining silvery white, very mobile liquid, easily divisible into globules, which readily volatilize on heating. Melting point is minus 38.9 degree and boiling point is 35.6 degrees. Solid mercury is as thin, white, ductile, malleable mass which may be cut with a knife. When pure, it does not tarnish on exposure to air at ordinary temperature, but when heated to near the boiling point, it slowly oxidizes to mercury oxide. It forms alloy with most metals except iron and combined with sulfur at ordinary temperature. Chemical reaction. Mercury tarnishes slowly in air is called auto-oxidation. It forms mercuric oxide on heating at about 300 degrees Celsius, which decomposes to give mercury again at higher temperature. This is the reaction. Now, the mercury reacts oxidizing acids like nitric acid to yield mercuric nitrate and nitric oxide. It does not react with dilute HCl, cold H2SO4 or alkalis. Now this is the reaction. Well, if the questions arise like write down the short note on antimicrobial agent or write down the short note about mercury, then you have to write its molecular weight, physical properties, in case of chemical preparation, method of preparation, chemical reaction. Just give the two reactions only, because if it is a 5 marks, you have to no need to write more reactions like this. Mercury reactions has lots, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No need to write that much. Test of purity, non-volatile matter. Test of mercury. Most mercury compounds sublimes under change on heating in a dry tube. Characteristics. Precipitable mercury compounds are prepared. For example, mercurous salts with dilute HCl give dilute precipitate of mercurous chloride. Mercurous chloride, which is insoluble in hot water and turned black on treating with ammonia. With hydrogen sulfide, mercuric salts gives a black precipitate of mercuric sulfide, which is insoluble in nitric acid. The sulfide is soluble in concentrated nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. Now the assay based on The modified Vollard method, as discussed for sodium chloride and ammonium chloride, weight amount of is dissolved in a mixture of equal parts of water and nitric acid and heated gently until the solution is colorless. In case of short note, um, you can skip this part as a portion. Now the uses. Mercury has cathartic action. The ionizable mercury salts are used as disinfectants, parasiticides, and fungicides. The organic mercurials are used as preservatives. Nitrated oxides of mercury is used as in homeopathy. Mercury is readily absorbed via respiratory tract, intact skin, gastrointestinal tract. Solution of salts have violent corrosive effect on skin and mucous membrane. Severe nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, bloody diarrhea, kidney damage and death. Thank you.